high angles of attack. Watch closely as the aircraft pulls into the vertical and executes a full 360-degree aileron roll. At altitude, the jet will then flip backwards and level off. Now, in less than 2,000 feet of altitude and under complete control, Major Shuttle collects a full 360-degree flat turn. Engines can do. You'll see why the aircraft excels in reversal flight as it carves in the loop and doubles its altitude at the end. At the top of the loop, you will see the Raptor rotate around one spot in the sky, utilizing the vector thrust of two powerful F-119 engines, which will literally flip the aircraft through the vertical and back to the Mini-jets can turn tight, mini-jets can roll quickly, and mini-jets can climb fast, but not many can slide. Watch now from overhead as the Raptor flies over, pulls straight up into the vertical, and brings his throttles to near idle, and then, under complete control, actually slides backwards. I'm staring down myself, counting up the years. The crowd left, reduces the power, slowing the Raptor down to less than 90 knots and loads up on a high angle of attack. After the pass, you'll once again feel the raw power of the jet as Major Shots lights those afterburners and climbs straight up into the vertical. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, the Raptor's slow, smooth pass. F-22 will now roll inverted and pull down into a split S for a high-speed pass, showcasing just a fraction of the aircraft's full-speed capability and super cruise. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for freedom's thunder on the high-speed pass. The F-22 will now set up her heritage flight by performing a Hoover pitch. This maneuver is a double knife edge, separated by an inverted tuck, followed by a pitch to line up for heritage flights. This will be another great opportunity to capture the Raptor on your camera during our demonstration. Ladies and gentlemen, named after the legendary Bob Hoover, the Raptor's Hoover pitch. States Air Force has provided over 681,000 air missions in support of today's fight, guaranteeing our joint forces the freedom to attack, freedom from attack, and freedom to maneuver. However, our potential adversaries have not sat idly by. Instead, they have developed increasingly capable fighter aircraft and surface-to-air missile systems, potentially putting our airmen in harm's way. The 5th generation Raptor is the answer with its stealth, super cruise, precision weapons engagement, and full integrated avionics. The F-22 will ensure our ability to continue to provide air dominance worldwide for the United States and our allies.